Hello viewers, I am Dr. Radhika, Professor in Computer Science and Engineering. In this session, I am going to explain about the conversions of number systems. So already we have discussed some of the conversions between the number systems. In this session, I am going to convert the binary to octal number system and also the octal number again back to the binary number. While discussing about the binary number system, in binary number system we have two digits, those are 0 and 1. Whenever we are performing some operations on these division on these digits, so the result is also again 0 and 1. So for time being, just we will see the addition of two binary digits. So here I have given it in a table. So for example, if you want to add 0 plus 0, then the answer will be 0 and the carry will be 0. And if you want to add 0 plus 1, then the answer will be 1 and the carry will be 0. And if you want to add 1 plus 0, then the answer is 1 and the carry is 0. Here is the important case, that is 1 plus 1. Whenever you are adding two binary digits 1 plus 1, then the answer is 1 and also you will have a carry of 1. These two are so much important while discussing about binary digits. So this is the addition of two binary digits, how it will be performed. Okay, so after knowing this one, so now we will go to our binary to octal conversion. Whenever if you want to convert from binary to octal, so first of all we should know what are the equivalent binary numbers to the 8 octal digits. What are the 8 octal digits? Those are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are the octal digits. So first of all we have to know what are the equivalent binary numbers for this octal digits. So first of all we will see how we can get the equivalent binary numbers for this octal digits. So octal means you have how many digits? 8 digits. So 8 digits means how many bits are required to represent 8 digits. How many binary bits are required to represent 8 bits is, so you have to see power of 2, because the binary we have only 2 digits. So that's why you have to see power of 2. So power of 2 power 0, it is 1. 2 power 1, it is 2. 2 power 2, it is 4. 2 power 3, it is 8. So in order to represent 8 digits, 2 power 3, that is enough. That is, how many bits are required to represent 8 digits? 3 bits are required to represent 8 digits. Okay, so that's why how many binary bits are required in order to represent 8 digits? So 3 bits are required. So now we will see how these bits are represented in order to represent each and every digit. So first of all we will start with 0. Whenever if you start with 0, the 0 starts with 0, 0, 0. So 0 means it is 0, 0, 0. So this is in binary and this is in octal, that is octal digit. This is the binary number. So for 0 it is 0, 0, 0. So I told that even though if it is single 0 or 3 zeros also, the value is 0 only. Okay, so for 0, the octal digit 0, the binary equivalent number is with 3 bits, it is 0, 0, 0. Okay, now you have to find for the 1, that is the digit 1. So for digit 1, what you have to do is, you have to take the 0 binary number, that is this one, and you have to add 1 to that one. So you have to add 1 to that one. While adding this one, you have to follow these rules. So 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1. What is the answer? Answer is 1. And what is the carry? It is 0. Okay. And now you have to add these two. That is 0 plus 0. The answer is 0 and also the carry is also 0. The answer is 0 and the carry is also 0. Okay. Next one is 0 plus 0. Again the answer is 0 and the carry is 0. So that's why what is the equivalent binary number for the octal digit 1? It is 001. So the next digit is how much? 2. So how you can get 2? How you can get 2? So now again add 1 to 2. So that is 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 means what? This one. So the answer is 1 and the carry is also 1. So again 1 plus 0. The answer is 1. The carry is 0. So 0 plus 0 it is, sorry, here 1 plus 1 it is 0. This is 0. Okay. So 0 and the carry is 1. So that's why you got how much? 0, 1, 0. So like this you have to add 1, 1, 1 until you get the last digit, that is 7. So again add 1. So 1 plus 0 it is 1. The carry is 0. Again 1 plus 0. 0 plus 1 it is 1. Carry is 0. 0 plus 0 the carry is, again answer is 1. Carry is 0. So the next digit is 0, 1, 1. This is for 3. So this process must be continued until you get the number 7. So I am writing the answer here. So you next for digit 4 you will get 100, that is 4, and next one is 101, this is for 5, and the next one is 110, and this is for 6, and 111, and this is for 7. These are the equivalent binary numbers for the octal digits 0 to 7. So this is very much important while converting the binary to octal numbers. So now we will take an example, that is, for example, if you are taking an example of 1010111101. This is a binary number. So this is a binary number where we are giving the number only in bits, that is 0 and 1. Now you have to find what is the equivalent octal number. What is the equivalent octal number? So first of all, what you have to do here is, you have to separate these digits separately. That is, from this end, what you have to do is, you have to separate them as 3 digits. So that is, first one is 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Next one is 1, 1, 0. And the next one is 1, 0, 1. So now I have separated it as 3 parts. Did you understand this? So now what you have to do is, you have to write the equivalent octal number for all these 3. You have to write the equivalent octal number for all these 3. So what is the value of 101? It is 5. What is the value of 011? It is 3. Okay. What is the value of 101? It is 5. Now finally you got the octal number for the binary number. So 10, 10, 101, 1101. The octal number is, so octal number should be represented with starting with a 0. So 0535 is the equivalent number for this binary number. Okay, so this is how you can convert from binary to octal. So this is how you can convert from binary to octal. The next one is, we will see how to convert from octal to binary. This is also the similar process. For that one also you need all these concepts. So first of all, suppose if I take some same number 535, I am taking the same number for checking purpose. So this is base 8, and now I have to find for base 2. For base 2, I have to find the value. So what you have to do is you have to write the individual digits of all these 3 digits. For all these 3 individual digits, you have to write the equivalent binary number. That's all. So how you can write it? So 5, what is the decimal number, binary number? It is 101. And for 3 it is 011. And for 5 again it is 101. That's all. This is the equivalent binary number for the octal number 535. If you want, I will tell you one more example. 165. The octal number 165. What is the equivalent binary number? So for 1, what is the value of 1? 001. And for 6, it is this one. That is 110. And for 5, it is 101. That's all. So this is the octal number and this is the equivalent binary number. So all these things will be done based upon the addition of the binary bits and this table. So this is important. So you should understand how to calculate this table. This is important. So if you get this one, this is very easy one. Okay. So this is how you can convert the binary numbers. This is how you can convert the binary number to octal number, and also another conversion is octal to binary. So in the next sessions we will continue with the remaining conversions. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.